Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to play chess for beginners. And we're going to be starting from 1 to 3. Number 1, knowing the pieces. First is the pawn. The pawn can move one square forward and can take diagonally. It can also move two squares on its first move. A pawn gives 1 point. Second is the knight. The knight moves in an L shape. A knight can also jump over pieces. And it gives 3 points. Third is the bishop. It moves in a diagonal and it's loyal to its color of its starting square. And it gives 3 points. Fourth is the rook. The rook can move horizontally and vertically. And it gives 5 points. The queen. The queen is the most powerful piece in chess because the queen moves diagonal and vertical and also horizontally. And it gives 8 points. Ninth is the king. The king moves every direction one square and you must protect it from being checkmated. Second, the board. The board is an 8 by 8. It has 64 squares. The horizontal is the number from 1 to 8. The verticals are the letter starting from A to H. And we're not gonna talk about the chess language cause it will make the video longer. Third, how to play. First in how to play is to control the center. Second, you must castle. You castle to protect your king by moving two squares to the rook and the rook at the other side of the king. If there's nothing blocking their way. Third, move the pieces forward to control the center so the opponent can't move easily and aggressively. Fourth, is to hunt the king in the ending game to checkmate him.